This is a bundle of sacred white sage and mugwort that I am preparing to wrap up, dry out, and bring to Peru for the 11/11/11 Stargate activation. There is the sound you hear is the 5 frequency, specific mathematical ratio of the universe, of our connective tissue and of our planets, the universal frequency. And as you see, there's a crystal and also white smoky quartz on top for protection and for amplification of energy. Once this is complete, I'm going to bundle the bundle and bring it to Peru.